have opened their own lookalike agency. They've got Amy Winehouse, Will Smith, Prince Charles and Harry, Gordon Ramsay, Anne Robinson and Johnny Depp. Players must race to line up the lookalikes in order of age. When they're happy with the choice, they can push the button. But the countdown will only stop when all the lookalikes are in the right place.
So it's all about lining them up in order of the age of the celebrity they look like. Youngest on the left, oldest on the right. And before we reveal them, we should tell you there are no Ant and Dec lookalikes. There's a good reason for that, though.
They're opening a supermarket in Doncaster.
Yes.
Very lucrative.
Very, very lucrative. OK, then, good luck, Vicky, and good luck to you if you're playing along at home. Can we reveal the lookalikes? OK, Vicky, your time starts at edge when you push the button.
We're off!
Keep talking to them, Vicky, tell them.
Sorry.
So replacing Prince Harry, Will Smith and putting Amy Winehouse.
Thank you. Okay.
Lovely to meet you.
Where's he going? Where's Prince Charles going?
Delighted to meet you.
Swap him with
Right,
Ram.
be there, please.
Will Smith goes into third.
Who's for? Where's he going to go, Vicky?
Oh, look, anywhere you want to go. Where you take me,
This way down.
Absolutely.
Gently, I've had extensive surgery.
Where have I got to go? Give us a sec.
The time's ticking down, Vicky.
No one gives a what you make your money off.
I prefer the throwing.
There we go, and finally, Anne Robinson in last place. Right, Vicky, push the button. Let's try that. Two row.
They need to swap.
Come with me, please. Come with me. You go back there, please. Can we go?
Get him on there. Well done.
Thank you.
We've got the ages here. We'll run through them for you.
Let me just take you through them. First up is Prince Harry there, 25 years old. Amy Winehouse in second place, 26. Will Smith is 41. Gordon Ramsay in 43. Johnny Depp, 46. Prince Charles,
41.
sir, 61. And finally, on the end there, Anne Robinson is 65 years old.
Well, well done. You've done well there. That's a good start.
Thank you.
You managed to stop your total at £92,672. I think it's pretty good. Go back and reach out your family, Vicky. And we'll welcome back Michael and the Shaws. OK, Michael, you ready for this?
Yeah.
You up for it?
Let's do it.
Youngest on the left, oldest on the right.
Yeah.
Your time starts at Ed's when you push the button.
And he's off!
Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charles.
Hang on a minute.
Go on, we go.
Just be careful, eh?
Get on there.
That's it. Keep talking to him as well, Michael. Swap around. Tell them where you want to go. Push it, try it.
Stop it going there.
Well, you managed to stop your total at £94,796. Very quick. Let's hear it one more time for Michael!
And let's find out how the totals are looking after game one. Here's Ronnie.
After tonight's first game, the Bennets are in second place on £92,672. That means it's the Shores who are out in front on £94,796.
Still a long way to go. Time for a break now, but we'll be back in a few minutes with a game that's very moving. Don't go